Have you ever wondered what truly defines productivity? It's a term that echoes through the corridors of workplaces and whispers in the quiet spaces of our homes, urging us to do more, be more. But what does it really mean to be productive in 2024? Productivity is all about how much you can do in a certain amount of time. It's like having a big basket and seeing how much fruit you can gather before the sun sets. Scientists have found that being productive isn't just about working hard. It's also about working smart. This means making good decisions about what to work on and finding the best ways to do tasks. For example, if you feel in control of your work, you're likely to do more. This is called having an internal locus of control, and it's like believing you have the capacity to make good choices as you journey with your ship. Another important part of productivity is motivation, which is like the fuel that keeps your engine running. When you're motivated, you find it easier to get up and do things. This motivation can come from inside you, like wanting to feel proud of what you've done, or from outside, like getting a reward for finishing a task. Also, not getting distracted is key. Imagine you're trying to fill your basket with fruit, but you keep stopping to play with a puppy. It's cute, but it doesn't help you fill your basket. In today's world, things like phones and the internet can be like playful puppies that take your attention away from your work. Being healthy also helps you be more productive. If you eat well, exercise, and get enough sleep, your brain works better. It's like making sure your basket is strong and your arms are ready to pick a lot of fruit. Lastly, it's important to find work that means something to you. When you care about what you're doing, it's easier to work hard and well. It's like picking fruit from your favorite tree. You enjoy it more and you do it better. So, the science of productivity is really about understanding yourself and finding the best ways to get the most out of your time and effort. Productivity is a crucial aspect of personal and professional development, and there are numerous strategies one can adopt to enhance it. One effective approach is to clearly define your goals and understand the why behind your desire to be productive, which can serve as a powerful motivator. It's also beneficial to break down tasks into smaller, manageable steps and focus on one thing at a time, reducing the overwhelming nature of large projects. Time management techniques, such as the Pomodoro technique, can help maintain focus and prevent burnout by alternating focused work sessions with short breaks. Prioritizing tasks using methods like the Eisenhower matrix, which distinguishes between urgent and important tasks, can ensure that you're working on what truly matters. The 80-20 rule, or Pareto principle, suggests that 80% of results come from 20% of efforts, so identifying and concentrating on high-impact activities can significantly boost productivity. Setting realistic mini-deadlines can create a sense of urgency and progress, while also providing clear checkpoints to track advancement. Creating a distraction-free environment is another key to productivity. This may involve digital tools to block distracting websites or apps during work hours. Regularly scheduling time for planning and reflection allows for adjustments to be made to strategies and goals, ensuring that efforts are aligned with desired outcomes. Additionally, the practice of batching similar tasks can reduce the mental load of switching between different types of activities, thereby increasing efficiency. Physical and mental well-being are also integral to productivity. Regular exercise, a healthy diet, and sufficient sleep can improve cognitive function and energy levels. Learning to delegate tasks and saying no to non-essential commitments can prevent overcommitment and ensure that energy is directed towards the most impactful tasks. Embracing continuous learning and adapting to new productivity tools and techniques can keep you at the forefront of efficiency. Reflecting on past successes and failures can provide valuable insights into what works best for you. Celebrating small victories along the way can boost morale and motivation, making the journey towards productivity a rewarding one. So, I invite you to reflect on your own productivity journey. Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's not just chase the hours. Let's make the hours count.